Welcome back. I'm Joe Elkier here with Steve Rand. This is the Gold Spot. Steve, once again this week we're seeing lots of turbulence around the world, more talk about inflation, more upcoming meetings with the Fed. A lot of this reasoning, all of these things happening are a big drive into safe havens, driving metals prices higher. Anytime that happens, especially at this extent, this quickly, we get a lot of questions in regards to, is gold too high? Can you dig into that a little bit?
Yeah, and it's a psychological barrier for many people where they hear $2,000 gold especially, and they automatically start assuming that we've reached some place where we're near a high, so that's as high as it can go. But, we've all seen this in the past. Years ago when I bought my house, it was a couple $100,000, and it's gone up a lot over the last several years to levels where a lot of people never thought it would. Same thing with the stock market. You see when it goes up, people continue to watch those new highs, but at some point you think, okay, is this where as far as it's going to go? Well, gold's the same thing. It obviously was, it was $300 an ounce when I started doing this, and it's continued to move up over the years. But right now what you're seeing is central bank demand is insane right now. New countries like Poland, Singapore, the old standbys like China and Russia, India are buying gold hand over fist. And you have to ask yourself a question. With gold at $2,000, if it's too high, why are these countries buying gold at the fastest pace in history? And the reason is because they realize that all this geopolitical uncertainty, the war that's going on in the Middle East, inflation running at these numbers is fueling the price, and it's not just going to stop because we've hit $2,000. Obviously, they realize they need it for safe haven to be able to protect their money against inflation and other currency devaluations, and that's what we're really seeing right now.
Well, and as we start to see more and more dollars coming back to our shores, especially because of the lack of demand around the world, it's only increasing. So it makes sense that gold's value is going to continue to go up as the dollar loses value, and it takes more dollars to buy the ounce of gold.
That's exactly right. And remember, as they say, buy gold and wait, don't wait to buy gold.
It makes a lot of sense right now. Next week, we're going to be having a special promotion for our veterans. We'll have more details come out next week, but we definitely want to look forward to honoring our veterans and thanking them for their service.
Yeah, check out all the details next week on the Gold Spot. We'll see you next time.